Hey guys, Troy here. This is King of Kings by Hillsong in the original key of D. Before you skip this part, don't skip it because these are not the original parts from Hillsong. I kept like the bridge portion, the two bridge pieces. I made everything else different because I feel like it'll work better for our team at our church. We tend to play some of these songs with a bit more like oomph, I guess, energy. We tend to make them a little bit bigger. So I kind of messed with the parts and made up some new ones, kind of like I did with Another in the Fire, if you remember that one. So I kind of made up my own stuff for that one. I also added in some kick drum on the double chorus at the end. So the first double chorus, my buddy Josh, he's our worship leader, he actually made a sample of a kick drum that's awesome that we use at church. So I asked him if I could have an MP3 of that sample. And I took the MP3 and I actually put 8th note bass drum in the double chorus, the first double chorus, and then a 16th note build, and then it's the regular kick drum pattern after that. So it sounds pretty sweet. I hope you guys like that. I think it really takes the song like to another level. So that's the parts and stuff like that. As far as the words go in this song, I think this is one of the better songs that Hillsong has written recently. They have a lot of great stuff, and what I mean by better, like, it's awesome. You could preach a whole sermon on this song. I mean, it just walks you through the redemption story. It's incredible. But the line that sticks out to me, my wife and I were talking about a lot, is this gospel truth of old shall not kneel, shall not faint. And if you follow me on Instagram or any Facebook posts or anything like that, you'll see that my only focus is the true gospel of Jesus Christ. Romans 1:16 says that the gospel is the power of God for salvation. It's the power of God is the gospel. The good news that Jesus Christ came, he lived a perfect life, he died the death that we all should have died, he took the wrath of God for us, so that when we put our faith in him, we can stand before the judgment seat and be found innocent, that he has imputed his righteousness to us, that we did nothing to earn it. There's nothing that you could do to earn it. In fact, when you try, the Bible says that your righteousness is but filthy rags. So you get to wear the righteousness of Christ as your own when you place your faith in him. And that's the gospel. You are saved from your sin, delivered, redeemed, and now you can spend eternity with the Lord, worshiping him with his people, communing with him forever. I mean, it does not get any better than that. And that's why it's always about the gospel. Always about the gospel. If we don't get that right, we have nothing right. Romans 1:16, the gospel is the power of God unto salvation. That is what it's all about. So if you want the pedal board shot, the tablature, the like that goes across the screen, you know, and then the explanation of tones and some like breakdown of parts and stuff, that's over at guitarforhisglory.com. So you can check that out. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this kind of weird version of King of Kings by Hillsong in the regional key of D. See you guys.
I've been down.